Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to use Speak to Chat feature on your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds. Let's get started. Basically, this feature automatically pauses the music when you start talking, which is handy for quick conversations. And to enable it, we just need to open this Sony headphones application and then go in the Sound tab. Here we can see the Speak to Chat feature. If you want to use it, just simply tap on the switcher to enable, and also you can select this settings icon and choose voice detect sensitivity. We have three options: automatic, high sensitivity, which is when it doesn't react to voices well, and low sensitivity, which is when it reacts even if you haven't spoken. I just gonna leave it at automatic, and now we can also select time until the mode closes. So when you will not be talking, for example, for 15 seconds, it will switch to the normal mode and the music will start playing again. You can set it to 5 seconds, 30 seconds, and does not close automatically. And now let's test this feature. I'm gonna put in my earbuds, then play a song, then I'm gonna say something and you'll see how the song will pause automatically. Let me show you. Hello guys, in this video we'll discuss, and the music stopped playing automatically. You saw this. So that's it, how you use this Speak to Chat function. That was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.